Okay, we've got another auction item here for the November 1st, 2023 online auction. We're All City Auctioneers and we're located here in Langley, British Columbia. This one here has come in from a local business. They haven't been using it, so they decided to get rid of it. It's a 2009 Ford F550 XL Super Duty 4x4 with a little HIAB 060 crane on the back. This is a Triton 6.8 liter V10. I'm just going to wander around here. It doesn't have a lot of fuel in it. It's down to like 50 kilometers to empty. So I did have the crane out to take a couple of pictures. I put it all away, and then of course I go to pull it out to do this video here, and I think I've latched it or something somehow. I don't know how to get it to go back out again. So you have to look at the pictures online. We did have it out and have it all away. I'll just show you here as this thing just gotta remember which controls they are. Oh, wrong way. You know, so, and then I gotta go to the other side. It's down. That control is definitely stiff. So PTO pump, you can hear it scream there. So it's HIAB 060-3, manufactured 2004. Looks like it's a 3,000 kilogram crane. I don't know if it's certified yet. You'd have to look at the pictures online. I would assume it would probably need recertification. Of course, that's assuming that they need to be certified yearly. I'm not sure. Of course, I'm an auction guy. I am not a crane guy or inspection guy. Short little deck. It looks like it's about 8 feet. I'll just paste that out quickly. 1, 2, 3. I would say 8-foot deck. LED lights on it. Some spotlights there on the back. I'm just going to push this one in. And make sure it's all set. So double-sided controls. These are just little storage boxes. Big empty space there in the center. Probably be ideal for a compressor or something like that. I'll show you the motor first, let you listen to it. You can see there's a PTO pump there. Sounds pretty good. Let me see, last certified was August of 2021. Like I said, they hadn't been using the vehicle, so they've decided to get rid of it. I would say low kilometers for an 09. There are some issues with the security key, the chipped key. Let me see, what do we got here? Oh, now I'm down at 52 kilometers until empty. Oh, check engine lights on now. Okay, 138,840 kilometers on the odometer. Let me see, system check. 5,948 hours, 82% oil life, charging system okay, all doors are closed. No, they're not, one's open. Brake system okay. See, there's a door open. Fuel levels low. So again, check engine light is on. Four-wheel drive system, we don't check that. There's all your aux controls. I'm going to shut this off, but yes, every once in a while when you put the key in, the security, the chipped key thing indicates, it flashes. So doesn't seem to be a problem that time, but again, I've turned the key upside down, and I seem to have issues when the key goes in one way and not when the key goes in the other way. So my guess would probably be maybe the battery, not sure. Anyways, the vehicle was driven to our location. They did drive it here, and seems to drive fairly decent. I mean, they said it was you know, in driving and running condition, but again, we only drive it around our yard. So I really don't have much to compare it to, but looks to be in pretty good shape overall. Tires are decent. Look like they've got quite a lot of tread left, so I would say you know, pretty good. Let me see, regroovable. They're Continentals. So on the rear, so like I said, crane, I'm not sure the certification, but there's different labels up there, obviously, from Kova Engineering. I haven't read them all, taken pictures of all of them, so I'll have to go through. I do try and picture to show you when the last time it was certified. But yeah, we have driven it around the yard here, forward, backward, and away we go. It seems to be pretty good. So again, it is selling on November the 1st, 2023. We're All City Auctioneers, and we use an online auction site called bcsurplus.com, and this is a private consignment from a local business here. They weren't using it, and so they've decided to sell it. You know, if you don't use it, you're gonna lose it. So here you go. And these are just storage compartments. You'll see pictures of those online. So highest bid wins, and this is selling November the 1st from Langley, British Columbia. Hope you get another buy-by auction.